This function tonight is to have a fun time with the children of the island for Halloween. So each of our students here, groups, the medical group, the nursing group, the veterinary group, we are decorating our doors and we're passing out candy to all of the children that want to come through from 5 to 7 o'clock Halloween evening. So we're having a great time. It's a spooky time for us here, and we're having a good time. We want all the community to come in and enjoy Xavier University's Halloween time. Well, you know, we don't know exactly. We put a lot of media presence out to let everyone know everybody is welcome. Children of all ages, adults, anybody can come in and just look at all the doors. We are having a contest to vote for the best door. The students will win prizes, so come in, take a look at the scary doors, and vote for your favorite. All ages, doesn't matter, from age 1 right up to 99.